Okay, new day, new problem. Something a little different today. We are getting rid of a car. Sad to see it go, but yeah, we gotta go get it. Actually gonna take this thing over to where the red car is stored and grab the battery, slap it in the car, and you know, bring it back. There you go. You're a cameraman now.
Oh, I love being a cameraman. What? I know. What am I filming?
Couple windows up.
Okay. Let's see this 700 horsepower powerhouse of an engine. Probably make 1,000. Woo, girl!
Yeah, we're just taking the battery. Which I don't need tools because, you know, you leave them loose. Loose is fast is what they say, I think, right?
I don't really know if that's a good thing. Man, look at all those questionable wires.
Yeah.
How does that go?
You know, other people's projects.
You love other people's projects.
That's my favorite part of working on cars.
That intercooler and that charge piping. Look at that big old turbo.
It's a 16T. I believe it's a 16T. I don't know. I could be wrong. Somebody drilled a hole through the ID plate, so.
Oh. They were trying to hide its true potential. Why are the headlights on this car so much nicer than the headlights on any other car you have?
These are glass.
Oh.
Those are what's known as E-codes.
E-codes?
Yeah, they're the European headlights.
So are these D-codes as in dumb? And here we have
148 horsepower raw Swedish power.
Just because the dyno was feeling a little weak that day doesn't mean anything. Don't let it hurt your feelings.
Hey, you know what? I don't know. So, that's all I gotta say about that.
Yeah. Look at these ignition coils. Those don't look like Volvo parts.
Yeah, they're LS truck coils.
And that's why it's so powerful.
148. Purrs. By the way, we're here with my buddy Chris. Thank you, Chris, for storing some of my
no problem.
RTR Mustangs, not mine. It's somebody else's.
I gotta foster that one too.
Yeah. Well, here. I mean, this is how you start it. Just, you know.
Just shove that down in there.
Put it down in there. Oh, gotta get in the right spot.
You got that nice snap-on starter.
Oh, hey.
Oh.
It's in gear.
Maybe we should take it out of gear.
Nah.
Hey, at least we know it works. Did you wiggle the stick?
I did.
All
Give
right.
it a good firm shake.
You shake it more than twice, you're playing with yourself.
That's the best way.
Look at that. Fires right up. Now that is a precision machine. What does that do?
That's the distributor.
I think it's missing.
So it's running now, and I should hook up, I don't know, maybe the E-fan.
I don't need that.
Yeah.
It's cool outside today.
It'll probably be fine.
It's only going to be like 85. It'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. All right, well, I'm going to hop in this thing and drive home. Thanks again.
Do that. No problem.
I'm going to give you that.
Okay, I'll leave the key to this car here.
Yeah.
When you need it next.
Yeah. You know what's sad is I put an ignition in it. I spent hours putting a new column with a new ignition switch.
I remember that because you had to take that big plate out and everything.
Yeah, well, that was for the manual swap.
That's good.
But yeah, it stopped working with the ignition switch. So, you know, what are you gonna do? Okay, here we go. Getting the old girl underway again. All right, old girl made it home safe and sound. Nobody's surprised. It sucks because this car runs and drives pretty good. But, you know, not doing anything with it. We need the money to do other things with life, so away she goes, right? Some of the stuff we have in there, gas tank for the green thing, bunch of intercooler piping. I think there's a set of E-codes, under tray. There's a lot of random parts. Not all go to this car, but you know how it is. Oh, my entire trim collection is in here too. I think the first thing we should probably do with it is give it a quick bath, just so it's a little more presentable. good time to shout out the lawn care enthusiasts. I know I always joke around about them being loud here and interrupting my filming. Truth is, that's my neighbor from across the street, this house here. Yeah, he's just mowing the lawn just to be nice. All right, so we're now here with Chucky, Mobile Tech Chuck on YouTube. What's the channel name?
It's Mobile Tech Chuck on YouTube.
All right.
Really easy.
Yeah, I nailed it. Anyway, so he's gonna go home with the red 245 Turbo today. We're gonna load him up with parts, and you're gonna enjoy this car and take my mess of wiring and do something with it, because
Wait till you see that.
you need to. So you remember that it needs a screwdriver to start it.
I don't remember that
Okay.
part, but you can show me.
So remember how I spent all that time to put an ignition switch in it so you could turn the key,
Yeah,
and it
so
starts,
you turned it and you
and
were losing powers.
yeah, it was great. It started with the key and everything was great.
Doesn't do that now, huh?
Doesn't do that anymore. Hey, remember how I said this car needs wiring? Yeah,
Hot wire.
yeah. So we're just gonna jump with a screwdriver.
Let's see it run.
Okay, you turn the key on.
I turned the key on.
Oh, let me.
It's in neutral, you know, reverse neutral.
Sounds like a Volvo kicking on back there.
It did. It kicked.
It's out of gear, you said?
Yeah, it's in the reverse neutral.
I tried to start it in gear earlier.
Okay, so I'm not the only one doing it to you.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It wakes me up a little bit. Yeah.
Winner. There you go. All those squishy turbo noises.
Yeah, no smoke.
Brake light.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Just enough piston slap for me.
Just enough piston slap. All right. Got your base stickers for you.
I saw, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get into base, get some, my grandmother's smoke.
Yeah, it's too bad, man. I don't want to see this car go.
You won't.
But it's going to a good...
On my channel.
Yeah, you follow.
Mobile Tech Chuck.
All right.
And same thing on Instagram.
Okay.
And maybe you'll get it back in a year or two.
I hope I don't get it back in a year or two.
It'd be right then.
I know, it's probably going to be great in a year or two. Then once it's done, it's no use to me.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, nothing
I
to
need
do.
broken, terrible things.
I'll find you one.
Yeah, send me a really rusty one from
Really
up north.
jacked one from New England.
Yeah, I love that. All right, spending a couple hours here going through the car. We're good under the hood, except power steering stuff. We'll try to find you some power steering stuff.
I'm into power steering. I'm getting old.
Yeah, you need, arms getting a little weak, huh?
Oh yeah, I got little arms.
Something about arms heavy, mom spaghetti or something, I don't know. Northern shit. Anyway, White Wagon had black trim on it. He said he likes black trim, so we quickly swapped out all the trims. So it's now a black trim 93 Wagon. So, looks pretty good. Yeah.
I think it's much better.
We need to find you some black wheels. I really think you like the Diamond Racing wheels.
I think so too. I think they'll be right for this.
Wheels. Time to go find some wheels. All right, we got a bunch of wheels. We gotta take the wheels out of the black thing, put them on the red thing, blah, blah, blah. You know the deal. It's gonna be cool, okay? I don't know, Chuck, you got me working kind of hard today. It's got to be like the most humid day of 2024, and we're out here swapping wheels around. But the decision was made. He likes the Diamond Racing wheels. Look at this thing.
With the black trim.
Present your car, Chuck.
Look at it.
Yeah,
Look at it.
just look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Look.
This is a good one. This is what your car should look like when you want it to be badass. I'm kind of upset, man.
You're not.
I'm not upset. I mean, mixed feeling. I don't want it to go. But
once it's done, you'll be upset because then you'll be like, I could have done that.
well, I mean, there's a lot of things I could have done. But that's why I don't have kids. So here we are. So we got Chuck lined up with a bunch of goodies. Got a better intercooler so we can get rid of the late 940 intercooler out of it. S60R, what's its, you know, please do something good with this car.
Yeah, give me a little while. I'll send you some video.
Yeah, this guy knows how to do wiring, like, professionally. So he's going to do a lot better than I did in my hastefulness of just making it work.
If you want, you can all pray for me. But
Yeah, pray for Chuck. Pray, everybody. Pray. Jesus! I don't know, we're in the South. They say Jesus helps with things, or whatever. Last ride. Oh, I should probably turn the key on. It's not one thing. Joined once again by lawn care enthusiasts. Alright, I'll see you down at the trailer. Just like that, she's on the trailer. Last ride in the old Turbo 240. Sucks to see it go, but it's going to a good home. It's Chuck, check him out. Mobile Tech Chuck on YouTube. Hey, give us a wave. Hey, how much do you love lawn care enthusiasm?
I couldn't believe it was real till I got here.
Yeah, it's been like 3 different yards getting their yard.
The whole day I've been here has been a lawnmower.
The whole day. It's no joke.
It's real.
I mean, it's a joke. We joke about it, but it's
The struggle.
it's real. I keep laughing because you're out of Boston. What did you just tell me?
You can't even park your car in Harvard Yard. It's illegal.
Yeah,
Everybody keeps saying that. It's illegal.
Yeah, you can't park your car in Harvard Yard.
All right. Stop giving me crap about my age. So Dean just wanted to drive a large truck and says he can turn this whole unit around. So I said, go nuts. I got a turning radius of a dump truck. Let's see how he does. Yeah, you don't need that lawn. Yeah. Thank God the trailer's a rental. Turning radius is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm gonna back it up a little more.
Oh, okay.
You got the papers.
It's legit.
You look very majestic up there with the blue sky behind you.
Well, I've got somebody's 93 240. I just
Yeah.
don't know if it's that one.
Just don't check the VIN, bud. Just don't check the VIN.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's papers.
I got papers. That's what he promised me.
Papers. That's all I said I'd give you. Somebody's papers.
There it goes.
All right, taking headlights home so we can do the god-awful
Don't start until you see it done.
the single headlight bucket thing. You
Wait.
put a 7-inch
Round in the hole in the
fucking
thing.
headlight in the bucket and people think it looks good. I
Can
don't
you
know.
wait till you see it done right?
Is the way
yeah.
I gotta say it. Anyway,
We'll see.
at least the Amazon looks good over there.
It does. That's a nice car.
I like it. It's my favorite car I got over there. All right, we got you a lot of stuff out of this thing. We got interior bits. We got all the stuff that the red thing needs.
I feel bad for this. It's a nice car to kill.
It's sad that it's such a straight, rust-free car.
Yeah, it is.
There's rust up here,
But you got to come back up to New England.
yeah. New England is a different story.
Yeah, this is pretty mint.
Yeah, and it drove great. Oh, and we figured out why it doesn't run.
Yeah, it's right here.
The rotor broke.
It ate itself.
Well, apparently the distributor cap was not clamped down, and it just caught the rotor and then ate shit, essentially.
So this should run pretty good now.
I'll probably start up and drive again. So I just, now that I stripped everything out from under it, Doesn't matter. It's a parts car.
Hey, it's saving the red one.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's saved the red one, saved the black one, saved the silver one, saved another white 244. I could go on and on about cars. This car has saved. The green thing in the garage in there, yeah. All the suspension went under that. So this is why you have parts.
The axle.
Yeah, it'll get the axle too, yeah. Yep. So I got to pull the axle out of this, rebuild it with a G80 locker for good times.
Not that you do burnouts.
Yeah, you got all your AC components too on the red thing. We found the...
And we found me a compressor for the brown one.
Oh yeah, got you compressor. I think that's it.
That's it.
I think that's about it. Then, all right.
Back to Boston.
Back to Boston. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
And we'll see ya.
Yeah.
Future Dean here. So I found out it's Chuck's birthday. Yesterday was actually his birthday, Friday. So I'm eating him out for dinner now. So if you would, leave a comment. Say happy birthday, Chuck. Enjoy the new car. I'm going to leave a link in the description to his YouTube channel. Let's see if we can get him over 1,000 subs. Huh? I'm over here editing tomorrow's video. That's Saturday night. And sitting here looking at this, we're sitting at 9,999 subscribers. Look at this. Just teasing me. Teasing me. Hopefully by the time I'm done editing this video, it'll be 10K. I'll just say it now. Thank you guys for sticking around with me and enjoying what I do in my garage. Honey, come here. Hi. Honey. Hi. Look over. Look it.
What?
Come here. Look.
What?
Come closer, child.
What am I
Come
looking
closer,
at?
child.
My bowl is heavy.
Look it.
Look at you.
Oh, yes.
Congratulations.
We're 10,000 subscribers.
You did a good job.
Number one. We're number one. Well, I don't know if that means we're number one, but I mean, we're 10K. Thank you. So you know what we say around here.
How about you get in your garage and fix something?
Yeah, how about you get your garage, you fix something. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Yeah.